Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a product review, but also a small business spotlight. This is the Wig Pal. This stand here is called the Wig Pal. It is a wig organizing stand, and the Wig Pal reached out to me and asked if I'd be willing to review it and show it to everybody and get the word out about their products and their business. I'm always willing to support a small family-owned business, especially a wig sister business in the wig wearing community, and the Wig Pal qualifies as that. So if you want to know more about this and this small business, then stick around. All right, before I get started, the wig on my head is Envy Zoe. It is a 70% heat-friendly synthetic, 30% human hair blend. I just reviewed this wig within the last week and a half or so. This is a beautiful wig. It has a fully hand-tied cap. If you've not seen my review and you like a good straight lob, go check out my review. I promised that I would wear this one regularly so that I could come back and tell you guys how these blend fibers hold up, because these are very expensive pieces. And that's what I'm doing. I will be following up with you guys, but I am loving this wig right now. So now you know. Okay guys, let's first start out with how I came to get this in my possession. So Anita from the Wig Pal reached out to me and asked if I'd be willing to review one of their products. And like I always do when I get a request from a company I'm not familiar with, I did some research to make sure they're a legit company and someone that I could feel good about recommending to all of you guys, because I will never ever abuse your trust in me, and it's very important to me I'm not used to help scam people. I was very impressed by what I saw, and so said yes, absolutely, because I love to support small businesses, especially my wig sisters in small business. And she is a wig sister. So I will tell you guys that there is a YouTube video on YouTube where she introduces herself and how she came to have this product and be selling this product. So if you want to know more in depth, if you're curious, I will link that video in the description. But the short story is she has been doing hair for a long time. I want to say 30 years. I don't remember numbers very well, but it's a long time. And she was doing extensions. She decided to try making wigs. She started wearing wigs. And this came about because of a problem she was trying to solve for herself and for some of her friends, for her salon. I think I'm getting that right, which was a couple of things. Number one, where to store all of these wigs, especially if you're in the process of drying. Sorry guys, I may have to pause this. Drying them, styling them, all of that. All right, of course they had to start barking right in the middle of that. So to solve a problem, she came up with this, and it worked so well, she decided to patent it and sell it. Here's where I tell you all of the ways I think this can be used and why I'm so excited to show it to all of you guys. So first of all, the obvious answer is as a wig stand. So if you do have a place in your home where this can fit, you can display your wigs on here, store them on here. This has room for 7 wigs. The dimensions are 32, so it's 32 inches across here. It's 16 inches deep, so to the back, and to the top of that wig head, it's 31 inches. So 32 by 16 by 31. That's the dimensions. So in case you're trying to figure out, would this fit in my house? But there's so many other ways you can use this. First of all, if you wear human hair takes just a little bit extra space to store, because you can't just hang it upside down by its tag like I do with my synthetic wigs, or put it in a box or something like that, because in order for the human hair wig to keep its style, you have to put it on some sort of a stand to keep it upright. Right now my solution is to use these little foam craft balls, and I kind of stuck them in a hat rack on my wall, which is fine, but isn't ideal. This is a great way to store your human hair. Another way to use this wig or this stand. Let's just say you like to wash your wigs in batches, whether they're synthetic or human hair. You kind of have a wig washing day every month and you just wash all of the wigs that you've been wearing. This is a great way to dry them. This stores so easily. All you have to do is, honestly, the biggest challenge of storage of this would be the wig heads that you're using. But other than that, this all comes apart. All you have to do is take all of these out. This is completely flat. It'd be easy to store and set up for your once a month or once every few weeks washing session. And then you could take your wigs and you can hang them on here to dry. Another way to use this, if you wear human hair or you like to style your wigs somehow, you can use this to do that. It is so sturdy. Let me show you. Let me put this around for you guys. It's so sturdy that I could have, these are all happen to be human hair wigs right here, but I could take this and if I wanted to, get them all, let's say I just washed them and I want to just get them all curled up and styled up, I could do that right on here. I could just, it's so sturdy. These will not go anywhere. You can tug on them a little bit. So I could take and curl them. I could use a hair dryer and a round brush on them. If I needed to trim them up and cut them. Right now, I have a canvas blockhead and a tripod, and that's what I use to style my wigs. But sometimes I have a couple of wigs that need to be styled, and therefore I have to do them sort of one at a time. I could do them all on this, and it would work perfectly. I see so many potential uses for this. It really excites me because it's innovative and it's a small business, a wig sister who came up with a solution to a problem, and she's turning lemons into lemonade. It's awesome. So if you want to know more about the Wig Pal, please go down to the description of this video. I will share a link with you guys. Like I said, I think I said, these are made in the USA. They ship them out from their own facility. It's a small business. It's a woman-owned business. It's a wig sister business. And so I really am proud to be able to show this to you guys. She has other things at her website too. So if you want to check her out, there are some wigs there. They don't have didn't recall seeing a lot of wigs there, but there are some wigs there, and she has a couple of other accessories that they promote. So it's not just this, and who knows where she'll go in the future. So it might be a good resource to bookmark. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Maybe I didn't cover anything very well, but it's just so easy to use. It's so lightweight. It's easy to move. The only potential challenge really is if you just don't have a ton of room in your house. This won't be that hard to store if you want to use it for wig washing and styling day, but these having this many foam heads could be a little bit of a challenge. But some of you already have these heads and they're sitting on a table somewhere or they're sitting on a counter somewhere. So now they won't fall over on you guys anymore. They'll sit really sturdy on here, which is wonderful. Thanks for watching, you guys, and thank you, the Wig Pal, for sending this to me. It's so fun to try new products. I'm super proud to share it. Love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.